Hey friends, if you wish to adjust scale and font size in Windows 11, then please watch this video. Now, unfortunately, there's no way to adjust the font size for Windows 11 itself. You can adjust the font size for a certain document or a certain editor. For example, in Microsoft Word, I can change the size to 24 and reduce it, but I cannot change the font size for Windows entirely. However, I can make a little bit of difference. I'll tell you how. Right click on the start button, select settings from the menu, go to the system tab and select display in the right pane. Now, as for changing the scale, you can change the scale using this option, but I tell you, do not do that. Only select the recommended one. However, if you really need to, then you can select this option, okay? And then you can also change the text size, but in the accessibility column, like you can increase the text size, but this text size that you're increasing is only for the fonts which are being used in settings and other panels on Windows. Like if I click on apply, you'll notice this difference. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.